Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, both snow and rain on the way, but fortunately we're dealing, or will be dealing with a fairly weak storm system. We're not anticipating some real big accumulation, so I'd call it minor and manageable. Some spots will get more snow than others, but as far as a blockbuster, certainly not in the cards at this point as we check out live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. And nice and dry clouds will be streaming in shortly. A few clouds out there right now, but no precipitation, and certainly heading out this evening. We're not talking any weather problems with the roads. So weather headlines again highlighted with not a major storm, but some rain as well. So it's not an all snow situation, but where we do get snow, the most of it would be in the northwest corner of the state. The left mounts will taper down the further south you go, say south and east of Providence, and we'll take a look at some specific numbers in just a second. Let's break it down. First Tuesday morning, with the snow arriving in the pre-dawn hours between roughly 2 and 4 o'clock in the morning, but eventually mixing with sleet and rain and changing to rain. Now, I do expect for the morning commute at least minor slushy accumulations, especially as you go away from the coastline and especially in the northwest corner of the state. And then during the afternoon, everything kind of winds down and shuts off for a while, so we get into a bit of a lull where it's just cloudy and it's either just a flurry or a sprinkle. And then later on, some light snow returns at night as cold air starts to come back in for tomorrow night. Downtown Providence, looking at pictures off to the west, you can see the clouds increasing off to our west, but clear as well. Temperature at 40, so pretty nice. It topped out at 42, so very comfortable. Winds out of the west at 14. Humidity is fairly dry at 43%. Upper 30s to around 40 in Providence, mid 30s along the south shore, so temperatures are pretty comfortable. That's another thing with this system that's approaching. It doesn't have a lot of cold air to work with. You can see the leading edge of the snow now across New Jersey. Let me widen out the view. And again, a fast-moving and fairly weak storm system right in here. You can see to the south of it, the green, which represents some sleet and some rain, and some of that is going to get involved into the system and why it won't be an all-snow kind of a deal. So for this evening, dry skies, clouds will be on the increase. 11 o'clock, we're at 32. Then overnight tonight, midnight cloudy, 2 o'clock in the morning, some light snow, 5 a.m., kind of a snow mixture. Temperatures in the lower 30s. Now for the morning, looking at 6 o'clock in the morning, some snow and a mix, and then 9 o'clock in the morning, it's mostly sleet and rain, and 11 o'clock in the morning, some sleet and rain as well. So we do expect a transition over to a mixture of rain and sleet. And then during the afternoon, it kind of shuts off for a while. We get into a lull, not much going on. Temperatures in the middle 30s. And then by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, as colder air comes back in, some moisture returns, we'll go back over to at least some light snow. And during this time period, we may pick up some minor accumulations on the backside. So for tomorrow afternoon, again, this is the portion of the day where it's actually kind of a lull, where it's dry, cloudy skies and humid. Temperatures on average in the mid-30s. So notice most locations are above freezing, and that's one reason why initially it may take a few hours for anything to stick on the pavement. But here's what we're expecting by tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Most of our viewing area, that includes the Providence metro area and most of the big cities, right in here, this purple shading, anywhere from a slushy coating to 2 inches. Higher terrain, especially northwest corner of the state, only 2 to 4 inches, and then much higher as they head out towards the Mass Pike. So again, manageable and very, very small stuff from most of our area. All right, 7-day Futurecast shows better weather coming up for Wednesday after some morning clouds, some sunshine, and then the rest of the week is fairly quiet. Temperatures not bad, upper 30s to near 40, and overnight low temps in the lower to middle 20s. So again, minor and nothing really severe here this time around, and a little bit of rain mixing in as well. But the timing's bad because it coincides with the morning commute.
All right. Thanks, Tony. Yeah.